Have you ever wondered what your cells actually look like? Today, we're going to be taking a look at just that. We're going to need a microscope for this, and then obviously some of your own cheek cells. Get those, we're going to be using a toothpick, some blank microscope slides. If you have a cover slip, that'd be great too for those microscope slides. And then our dye that we're going to use is methylene blue. Now, caveat, I used the wrong dye. That's bromothymol blue. And so we're going to get a very different looking product than we should be getting, but we'll show you what the real one looks like too. To start with, we're going to be taking that toothpick and we're going to be lightly scraping the inside of your cheek. Now we want to get some squamous skin cells here, not blood cells. So don't draw blood, don't gouge the side of your cheek. Just run that toothpick along the side so that we can kind of peel off that first layer of skin. Next up, we're going to take our stain and we're going to add about 2 drops to our blank slide. Once again, you should be using methylene blue, not the bromothymol blue like I'm using. We're going to add that to our slide, and then we are going to roll those skin cells that we sampled into that dye. Now, really do a good job of contacting the slide, really kind of scrape that, any kind of gunk that's on that toothpick off, so that we can get a good sample to look at underneath the microscope. When you're done, make sure to throw the toothpick away. It's got dye on it. And then we're going to take our cover slip or our second slide, and we are going to squish that down to make our 3-dimensional object into a 2-dimensional object. Once that's done, we're going to throw it underneath the microscope, start under scanning power, and see what we can find here. Now we're taking a look. Here's our look at scanning power, and once again, we're the wrong color. All right, we're the wrong color here because it should be more of a bluish color, but still we can see clusters of cells. We can see kind of this middle cell underneath here that's got a nucleus in it. I've always thought that your cheek cells have kind of a fried egg look. Let's go under low power, and under low power we see those cluster of cells yet again as we're taking a look at that. Here's a look at what they should actually look like from a previous sample of the lab. Once again, same cells, just we used a much better dye this time, and you can actually see the nuclei of all the cells much better, and then you can see kind of that fried egg shape. Once again, there's a look at your cells, squamous epithelial cells, underneath the microscope. If you enjoyed this and want to get more science lessons, lectures, or labs, make sure you check out more of the videos below where we continue to update weekly.